Ingres was also a passionate musician. He played second fiddle with Paganini. This is what he wrote about art and music. If I could turn you all into musicians, you would also benefit as painters. Everything is in harmony in nature. Nothing disturbs the range, nor makes a false note. You have to get to the point where you sing in tune with your pencil or your brush, as well as your voice, for the accuracy of form is like the accuracy of sound. Now, you can see in the drawing here, coming down the shoulders, he's taken 2 or 3 passes at it. Yeah, can you see in the drawing? He's taken 2 or 3. Is there any reflection on the light there? You see there's 2 or 3 passes, and it goes underneath, so actually the bow's gone over the top afterwards. There you go, that's more like an Ingres hand. There it is. That's what he's doing, he's scoring. But it'd be good fun to do this the right way up. Let me just show you what I mean by scoring. This is a drawing of Hommage from Rome. It's graphite again. You can see these flicky marks around the outside. Let me just demonstrate on the screen. See the red? I'm demonstrating. They have a psychological significance too, because they're kind of like pointers. They're flicking the eye in a certain direction. So you need a light flick to score, like a carpenter's mark. You're marking in, you're just flicking. You're flicking in a mark. You're putting in a shorthand, an abbreviation. I was quite pleased with these lines around here because they have something of that pss, 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 wash and go, one stroke only. Baff, strong, maybe wrong, but not hesitant. We weren't talking about this hesitation. Right in the very, very first exercise in the drawing course, this hesitation. There's no hesitation here. There is hesitation here when I go. Can we zoomed into that? There's hesitation here when I've gone over 100 times. And the drawing starts to lose its purity. It's just so quality. Look at the just so quality of this. It might not look right in terms of an illusion, but in terms of mark making, there's a purity to it. Okay?